Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Oh, it's hot. I mean, the floor is hot. Anyway, Assalamu alaikum and greetings. AliShanMao here. Welcome to this video that you have been waiting for. Why I don't fly long-range FPV anymore. People have been asking me this question, that why I quit doing that and why I don't do it anymore. So I was saying that I'll do a video, but then things keep coming and I was unable to do until now that pressure is rising from my loyal followers asking why I don't do long-range FPV anymore. Well, answers very simple. I'll just keep it very simple. Number one, recently I have been told that finally the government has banned flying long-range FPV in our city. Just like many other cities in China, our city also finally bans flying long-range FPV. It's not allowed to fly long-range FPV. So, well, that answers the question, right? Still, like you have seen, I went all the way 3 kilometers in that direction and back, and I was circling around. I accumulated 30 kilometers. I mean, this plane, Rambler RS, can go 15 kilometers and back on my poor old 3300 milliamp 4S battery. If I use Li-ion 18650 packs with high capacity, high MH, people have done in Tibet, one pilot, he has done about 170 kilometers. That is outback, total 170 kilometers. So this plane does have, mashallah, capability of doing long range, and it can actually. I'm sweating now. I'm fasting and sitting under the sun doing this video for all of you. Oh yes, Ramadan Mubarak to all of the Muslims around the world, and I hope you are enjoying it. This is the blessed month, and you can ask anything from Allah. Allah will bless you for that. I'm praying during this month that Allah please finish this epidemic, bring the life back, sweet life back. Yes, we have learned our lessons. We were the virus. We are the virus to this world, and we have learned our lessons. We will take care of it. Inshallah, this will all go away and we will be safe. Praying for all those who are infected. May Allah give them shifa and health, and they come back to family very soon. Amen. And praying that everyone keeps happy, prosperous. Amen. This is the month of Ramadan, month of blessing from Allah. We can ask anything. So now let's come back to the second thing. Now, second thing that I don't fly long-range FPV is because, as you have seen today my video, I went all the way this way where there's a mountain, and then after crossing this bridge, they're building a new bridge, and then there's another bridge, which is the fast train bridge. That bridge is my limit. I should not ever cross that bridge. Why? Why? Because in that area, after that bridge, in that area, you can hear and you can see fighter jets, military jets on training flight. They are not flying, oh, I'm sweating, man. They're not flying very low. They're flying like 1,000 to 2,000 meters altitude, but still, man, that is a military aircraft, and I don't want my little aircrafts flying under, you know. So that bridge is my limit, but that bridge gives me about, let me say, 6 to 7 kilometer range. So that's the most I can do in this area, and basically 4-5 kilometers later, 5.8 GHz, it starts breaking up. Not good. I need more powerful antenna. This antenna does the job. So that was the second reason. I don't want to interfere with the military aircraft, or don't want to fly anywhere close to that zone. 3, I believe that's the third reason. 3, our local hospital, since last year, they have acquired a medical emergency response helicopter. And often I see that helicopter actually flying very low, sometimes even lower altitude than 150 meters. Very low altitude, we can see the helicopter, and it normally comes in this direction over here. Normally not at this time. This is the best time, 12 o'clock noon time to 2-3 p.m. is the best time to fly long-range FPV in this area, but after that there might be possibility the helicopter is, you know, gonna circle around. I have seen another news helicopter around in this area, which also comes very low. That's the thing. So don't want to do oh man, all my water is coming out. I need more water. I still have a few hours to go for breaking the fast. Anyway, so I want to avoid contact with that helicopter when I'm flying like 150 meters. My plane That's the minimum altitude I'm doing. I don't want to have the helicopter chasing video, you know? Okay, that was that. Now, the last reason is very interesting. A couple of people actually lost their DJI expensive drones. I don't know why I'm so happy when I hear the DJI drones crash. When you go this area, why I don't go to Chimney anymore? See? Why I don't go to Chimney anymore? You have seen today I flew I circled almost to that bridge and I turned around and came back. Why I don't go to Chimney anymore? In that area, I mean in China, I love that technology, man. I love that technology. In China, they have developed some really serious gear. Antennas that you cannot distinguish between 4G, 5G or RC signal jammers. That's what I'm talking about. They are signal jammers, very high-tech signal jammers. They scan the frequencies and jam the frequency, turning your drone or your wing plane RC go into bizarre mode and down to the ground. That's it. Happened in Dubai. In Dubai they have guns that activate RTH, then they follow the drone and catch the pilot. So I have had that experience. Some of my plane went out of control at that area and barely I got the control back. I was lucky and got it back. So there are signal jammers all across the cities in China, especially the major cities, where I had a foreigner when we had a Banggood meeting, you know, the Banggood thingy, promotion thingy. We had a pilot from Egypt who, I mean, YouTuber from Egypt who came and he says that he was flying in Guangzhou, sorry, I don't know, in Shenzhen or Guangzhou, he was flying his Mavic and he said suddenly it went out of control and crashed. And I started laughing. He said, why you're laughing? I said, I know why it crashed, because I was part of that project once where they were developing that tech to jam and control the RC quadcopters and drones. And I did help them a bit with the testing, and after that, well, I know there are antennas around and you have to be careful. So, signal jammers, medical emergency helicopters, civilian helicopters, news helicopters, military jets, and not allowed to fly long-range FPV. That is the reason I don't fly long-range FPV anymore. But you will see my long-range FPV flights, because I'll go to Shanghai RC Airport, which is outside the city on a mountain in the middle of nowhere. All around you is miles and miles and miles of green, nice areas, crops, agriculture areas, mountains. So that's where we will go and fly even longer range FPV. So stay tuned for that, whatever long range FPV flight video is coming your way. My bum is really cooked now. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button. Right there.